Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So let us start today's lesson with a new topic, that is compound interest. You have studied what a simple interest is, the extra amount charged for the use of others' money. As the name indicates, the compound interest is a complicated way of calculating the interest. In this, each year the interest is calculated and the amount at the end of first year will be the principal for the second year. Again, the amount at the end of second year will be the principal for the third year and so on. In this way, each year interest is calculated and added to the principal for calculating the interest for the next year. So definitely compound interest will be little more than that of simple interest. So here there is a formula derived for finding amount with compound interest. There is no formula for calculating compound interest like simple interest, that is I is equal to P into R into N upon 100. Here the amount A is given by the formula P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to N. This formula is obtained by deriving by calculating interest for each year and added to the principal, and that will be the principal for the next year, again added to the principal for the third year and so on. So you need not study how the formula is derived. Only you know how to substitute the values. A is the amount with compound interest. P is the principal. R is the rate of interest. N is the number of years. And after getting the amount, to get the compound interest, what you have to do? Subtract. What you have to subtract? Subtract the principal. What is amount actually? Amount equal to P plus interest. So you have to subtract the principal to get the compound interest. So what formula it is? For calculating amount with compound interest. What is the formula? P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 all raised to N. So we will take the same example as of last class for calculating the simple interest, and we got the answer 1200 as the simple interest. Which are the values of P? P equal to rupees 5000, R equal to 8%, N equal to 3 years. Substitute the values in this formula. First, what you will get? Amount. So what is for? Write the formula. What is that? A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 all raised to N. The calculation is very complicated. So by substituting P equal to 5000 into bracket. First you have to solve the bracket. 1 plus R equal to 8. 8 upon 100. Here 100 is only for 8. 1 is separate. All raised to 3. So you have to do cross multiplication here. So 100 into 1 plus 8 upon 100. 8 into 1. Here nothing is there, so write 1. So what you will get on bracket? 108 upon 100. All raised to 3. That don't forget. So altogether how it will be? 5000 is there. 108 upon 100. How many times? 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100. So in denominator, 300s will be there because all raised to 3. First you have to cross multiply and simplify. Then repeated multiplication, all raised to 3. How many times you have to repeat the multiplication? 3 times. What? 108 upon 100. So in numerator 5000 into 108 into 108 into 108. Denominator 100 into 100 into 100. This cancellation you understood? We can cancel same factor in numerator and denominator. That cancellation means we are dividing by the same factor. Here which is the cancellation? 0 means we are dividing by 10, both numerator and denominator. So 10, 0, 0 cancel means what? We divided by 10. Again 0, 0 cancel means what? Again divided by 10. So this 100 is cancelled. Now here but we can cancel 1 0. So all the 3 zeros are cancelled. So only 5 is remaining here. You have to multiply all these numbers, that is 5 into 108 into 108 into 108. And denominator what? How many zeros? 3 zeros, that is 1000. So after getting the product, put the decimal point before 3 digits. Clear? So the answer I obtained after simplifying this expression, numerical expression, what is that? 6298.56. Actually 560 I got. So put the decimal point before 3 digits. So this 0 has no value. So what is the answer? 6298.56. What is that? That is the amount. What is that? That is the amount with the compound interest. Now you have to calculate the compound interest. The short form is CI, compound interest, equal to A minus P. So 6298.56 minus 5000, 1298.56. That is the compound interest we obtained. We have calculated the simple interest with the same values. So again see simple interest PNR upon 100. 5000 into 3 into 8 upon 100. On calculating we got the simple, here not amount, simple interest. There is a formula for simple interest. That is 1200 only. Here little more you can see here. What is that? 1298.56. So compound interest will be always more than simple interest with the same value of P, N and R. So we will see what is CI minus SI. The difference between compound interest and simple interest. 1298.56 minus 1200. So the difference is 98.56 more. The compound interest is more than simple interest by rupees 98.56. So this is the method of calculating compound interest. First we will get amount using the formula A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 all raised to N. After simplifying the bracket, you have to multiply by P. Clear? So that is the end of today's lesson. More about compound interest you can learn next class. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you next week. Please share and forward as much as possible to the students of all standard. Also watch each video from beginning to end. Then only you can understand. So thank you once again. See you next week. Bye bye.